God is both infinitely beyond creation and intimately present within it. Christians describe these truths as God's transcendence and immanence. God's transcendence means that He is above everything He created. He is not part of the universe, limited by nature, or contained within space. He alone is the eternal creator. Everything else depends upon Him. Yet God is also immanent. He is present throughout creation, actively sustaining every star, every breath, and every heartbeat. He is never distant, uninvolved, or unaware. But this does not mean that God is the universe, or that creation is a part of His being. He is present to His world while remaining distinct from it. Both truths must remain together. Transcendence without immanence makes God seem distant and inactive. Immanence without transcendence confuses God with His creation. The God of Scripture is neither. He reigns beyond the highest heavens, yet He draws near to His people. The one who holds the universe together also hears your prayers, knows your pain, and promises, "I will never leave you."